Hi, this is Group 10, and this is our final CSS Zen Garden presentation. My name is Caitlin, and my partners were Paul and Wadi. I really feel fortunate with the team that I got paired up with. We all seem to have certain strengths, and so we were able to focus on our own strengths and learn from each other. And this is what we came up with. So we started this process kind of brainstorming themes and what we wanted to style. And I'm really a big fan of simplicity. I feel that a lot of websites these days are kind of leaning towards a simpler overall style, and that was what we went with here. But we wanted to bring some interest with the CSS in our animations and some other things that we included in this site. So we started with the brainstorming and we came up with this hiking mountain theme, and it's fun because the process kind of took us in a different direction. And I think that's part of the learning process is you start with something, and as you move on, things grow and change, and I think for the better. So this is our kind of cold mountain theme, and we utilize a lot of blues and this nice cold look. Almost, it makes me think of like climbing Mount Everest, was sort of the feel that I got from this. So upon loading of our page is where we brought in a lot of animation of the sliding in and the fade in for our navigation. And then you can scroll through our site and let's do that again. This is an SVG mountain that one of our teammates created, which I thought was really amazing. We really stuck to our strengths. One of us worked on animation and the SVG, one of us really focused on the grid and the layout, and one of us really focused on the style, the typography, and the colors. And I think that worked well. It was a good way for us to work together, focus on what we are good at, and then learn from each other as we put it all together and shared code and passed it around. And the site literally grew over the semester as we passed it back and forth, especially over these last couple weeks. It was a really, really good learning process, and I'm proud of what we accomplished. I think overall, if we were to do it all over again, I know we would do things differently, and that's why we do this. This is part of the process, part of the design and the learning process. So let me show you that animation again. And then when you scroll through, you have kind of this animated mountain. So that is our Zen garden. Thanks for watching and great work this semester.